Hi everyone, today I have fake Samsung and let me share with you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. At the very top, we've got our own gallery, under it live wallpapers and peak wallpaper. So here we've got actually some defaultly installed ones. So let me pick this album, let's tap on it simply. And as I said, here we've got plenty of, maybe not plenty, but we've got some defaultly installed wallpapers from which we can choose. And as you can see, after swiping, we can immediately see the preview of the wallpaper. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on Save Wallpaper. And as you can see, we just got back to the album, so let's check the home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.